It's 2022. Me tired. Fully tired. Hi, Pickles the Guy in here, Jamaican YouTuber. Welcome back to my channel. Yo, here. This today I was asked this question and I saw this on my Instagram story, and apparently, I don't know, let's see it. Let's address this for the last time. Who pays on a date? This is something that has been the bane of people's existence. This has caused friendships to end. This has started wars and cliques and divided factions across social media, across countries, across cultures. Here's what me I say. Here's what I'm saying, and this is the final thing I say about this ever again in my life. Date within your lane. Date what works for you. Date who works for you. Find your tribe. Find people of like mind that have the same school of thought on the dating thing, and just work with the stop fighting people for their opinions and what they believe about who should pay for this and who should pay for that. And if they want to, if they have them reasons why them stay so, their experiences might guide them a certain way, and that is very much fine and well, right? Fine and well, because at the end of the day, you make a decision, you have a certain, and you have your lifestyle choices, and you stand on certain hills and you're going down certain hills. That's fine by me. Do you? Because whatever actions come with your choices and actions, is what you deal with. And it is a lot of things are born out of this one little question: who pays for the date? A lot of persons who are socialized a particular way. Cool. And in that socialization, you find there are certain repercussions or certain things that come with the side you pick or the side you choose or whatever. For me, here's the deal for me. If I ask you out, I'm going to pay for you. I remember actually that this something has happened, developed in my dating life. I thought women wanted men that went to fancy places and all that. And when a woman said, "No, I'm not really fussy about being fancy or whatever," I thought she was just being modest because, you know, she didn't want to seem as whatever. And I never forget this one girl. When we're talking stage, and I made a mistake of not being able to cover the whole bill when I asked her out, which is my fault. Now, if you are going in a relationship, there are different ways, I guess. So here's my school of thought. If you ask somebody out, you should be expected to cover the cost of that asking, because you're the one inviting the person out to hang with you. If it's something say, let's go eat together, as opposed to I'm taking you out on a date, let's go to this particular place. And I think if my friend Morgan said to if both of us come with a place together, we can split the bill. Fine, whatever. Me, I take you out as a man. I'll pay for you. No problem, no issue with that. Some women now want the traditional treatment of the men paying for them, and then want to be independent and stuff. No, that's not what I said. That's not what I said. Yes, you can get paid. You can get your date paid for, fine. No problem, no issue. Some men see the fact that they're paying for the date as a sign of possession, exclusivity, ownership, one bag or something. I'm not saying that's right, but that's how a lot of men perceive it. So if I'm paying for your date, you know something have to come from it if I'm paying for a date. If me I feed you all the time, I must get the next F2, right? So a lot of men think like that. And then it leads to very uncomfortable and, compromising situations for some people, and then they turn around and ask what's happening. So you have to know the type of person you're going out with, the type of how they're socialized and that sort of thing. And you can discuss it beforehand. It's a deal breaker for many girls and many guys if they're not going Dutch or splitting in half. Me not care. Just date with the lane. You can't want champagne and only bag juice you have money you have. You see me? Champagne diet with a bag juice budget, it not gonna work. Alright? Just date who fits your profile. Simple as that. And stop cow down people for them opinion, right? And like, sorry, let's go back in, right? And like, if you guys are going to develop into a relationship and it's going to be something long term, then obviously it's going to be give and take. A relationship is like that, it's a partnership. So sometimes, just like how in a marriage or relationship that someone's better at cooking, they can handle the cooking. If you're better at finances, you control the finances, and it's a synergy. It is an ecosystem that is developed for harmony. Synchronism. It's a synergy. You know what I mean? So I mean, oftentimes women would want the men to help out with cooking and the men would want women to help out with whatever, whatever, and vice versa. So I'm not saying all the time you're going to spend and spend and spend. There must be some spending from the other party as well at some point on something else. You understand me? So if it's a date night and you control the date, you control the date. She control the grocery. You control the rent. She control the cable bill. These are things, partnerships, synergies, people. Come on. It's 2022. It's 2022. I'm tired. Fully tired. That is it. That is it. As a baller, that is it. That is it.